So when you first walk into my room, you see my bed, my vanity, my little makeup chair, and this desk. So over here I have this Michael Kors bag, and right here is a little starfish from Cancun. I have this Juicy Couture perfume, and I just keep it here because I really like the charms. And my MAC bag, yeah, I just thought it would look cute to kind of give it some color because my room is really gray. And over here I just have a bunch of perfumes. And over here I have my bags, but it's like really messy. To the left I have my bed, my window right on top of it, and my laptop just chilling. So I really like this bed because it's super convenient, because when I'm going to sleep I can just turn on and off the light. And yeah, and I really like the rhinestones on here because yeah. But my room is super gray because I have all the covers, the pillows, the furniture, and yeah. So that's why I have like little pops of color of gold, pink. I have my vanity and this makeup chair that I got from Burlington Coat Factory for like 50 bucks. And I have my little handbag from Aldo. It's super cute. It's like this blush pink. And I have these flowers on both sides. And again, it just adds a pop of color since my room is really gray. The vanity lights, and I can just turn it on and off from this little motion sensor. And here I have makeup. Like over here I have some skincare, foundations, concealers, primers, sprays. Over here I have some palettes. I have 2 Morphe palettes, a bunch of glitters, yeah. Over here I have my brushes. They really need for me to clean them, and a bunch of beauty blenders, or Real Technique blenders, those. And over here I have like everything that has to do with lashes. I have mascaras, a bunch of eyelashes. Over here I have like contour kits, eyebrow kits, my powders and blushes, all that stuff. And over here I just have some lipsticks. Yeah, so to the left I have these 2 doors, which this one just leads to my brother's room and this one leads to my parents' room. And I have my clothing drawers over here, and I just put a little candle on top, and it smells so good. It's peach and mango, and I actually don't know where I got it, but it smells super good. So yeah. I really don't like fans, so I'm gonna try to change it into like a little chandelier or something, just because they make my head hurt when they turn on. I don't know. So that's something that I just want to get rid of, and hopefully put something that I want. And yeah.
Yeah. Weezy out of here. The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies.